Good morning, everyone. I'm Soumya. My topic is energy and society, political, economic, and ethical dimensions. So, this presentation mainly focus on how energy use affects global politics, economies, and ethical considerations. Foundation of global systems lies in the interconnectedness of nations through economic, political, social, and cultural interactions, facilitated by advancement in transportation and communication technology, which allows for the movement of goods, people, ideas, and capital across the borders. While coming to political dynamics, energy resources shape political power balances, impacting international relations and domestic policies regarding resource management. Economic implications. Economic growth is closely tied to energy availability, industrial production, and affecting its job creation, investment patterns, and market stability. Next, energy geopolitics, oil and gas control. OPEC global influence. OPEC stands for Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, has had significant global influence since its formation in 1960. Its power comes from its ability to control oil production and prices, which directly impact economies, energy markets, and geopolitics worldwide. So, Russia-Ukraine disputes. Energy as a source of so Russia-Ukraine disputes. So the war, which was held on February 22, Russia-Ukraine. So the war has led to massive destruction, millions of displaced people, and severe economic consequences for both Russia and Ukraine. So the war remains one of the most significant global crises, shaping international relations, energy markets, and military alliances. Energy as a political tool. Energy has long been used as a political tool by countries, organizations to influence international relations, economic stability, and geopolitical power. Nations with vast energy resources, especially oil and gas, can leverage them to gain diplomatic advantages, pressure rivals, or strengthen alliances. Next slide. En- Energy as a source of conflict and cooperation. So energy can act as a significant source of both conflict and cooperation between nations, primarily due to uneven distribution of energy resources, dependence on imports, and the potential for political manipulation when controlling energy sources, leading to conflicts over access and security, while also creating incentives for international cooperation to ensure stable energy supplies and address global energy changes like climate change. Next slide, sir. Energy inequality, the global divide. So, energy inequality refers to the vast disparities in access to reliable and affordable energy across the globe, creating a significant divide between developed countries with high energy consumption and developing nations with limited access, often referred to as the global north and the global south, respectively. So, the poorest populations like Nigeria struggles to meet basic energy needs like electricity, clean and cooking fuel. So this inequality hinders economic development and social disparities worldwide. Next slide, sir. The ethics of energy production. The ethics of energy production primarily focus on balancing the need for energy access with minimizing environmental harm, ensuring equitable distribution, and considering the social impact of energy projects, including factors like land use, community displacement, and worker safety, while prioritizing sustainable and renewable energy sources to mitigate climate change. Next slide, sir. The ethics. Corporate responsibility and energy ethics. Corporate social responsibility in the energy industry is becoming a key focus as government enforce carbon reduction targets globally. Energy companies are adopting ethical energy practices to meet these goals, while renewable energy sectors benefits and traditional industries like fossil fuels face challenges. Next slide, sir. Degrowth versus green growth. So, both degrowth and green growth aim for environmental sustainability. The key difference is that degrowth advocates for a deliberate contraction of the economy by reducing consumption and production, while green growth seeks to maintain economic growth while minimizing environmental damage through technological advancements and sustainable practices. Next slide, sir. The future of energy and society. The future of energy is likely to be dominated by renewable sources like solar and wind power, with a significant shift towards electrification across sectors like transportation and buildings, leading to a more sustainable and decentralized energy systems, where energy efficiency and smart grid plays a crucial role in managing consumption and integrating diverse sources, ultimately impacting society through cleaner air, reduced carbon emissions, and potential for economic growth in green technologies. Next. So conclusion, energy key takeaways, energy intricate relationship with society necessities, understanding and action towards a sustainable development and policies. Thank you. Sir.